If you're dealing with a GOG payment error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. Whether your bank is blocking the purchase, PayPal is the better option, or you've already been charged and still don't see your games, this guide will help you get closer to a successful checkout. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing to understand is that GOG is based in Poland, and that means some banks and card providers may automatically flag the transaction as suspicious. This is especially common if you're trying to buy from a foreign merchant for the first time, or if your bank has extra fraud protection turned on. So before you keep retrying the payment over and over, call your card provider and let them know you're trying to authorize an international purchase. Tell them it's a legitimate transaction for GOG and ask them to allow the payment through. In many cases, that one step is enough to fix the issue. If your card provider says everything looks fine, but the payment still keeps failing, the next best option is to use PayPal. A lot of users have reported that checking out through PayPal helps bypass card declines on GOG. If you already have a PayPal balance, you can also try preloading funds into your account before making the purchase. That can sometimes make the transaction process smoother and reduce the chance of your bank blocking it. So if your card is getting rejected, switch to PayPal and try again. Now, if you've already been charged but the games still haven't shown up in your GOG library, that's a different issue. In that case, don't keep making new purchases or duplicate payments. Instead, go directly to the GOG Support Center and submit a payment-related ticket. You can do that by visiting support.gog.com and navigating to the payment-related issues section. Include as much detail as possible, such as the email address linked to your GOG account, the time of the transaction, the payment method you used, and any error message you saw on screen. The more information you provide, the faster support can investigate the problem. It's also a good idea to check your email and payment app right after the attempted purchase. Sometimes the bank may show a pending authorization even if GOG has not completed the order. If that happens, wait a little while and refresh your GOG library before trying again. In some cases, the payment may go through after a short delay. So to quickly recap, first, ask your bank or card provider to approve international purchases. Second, try paying through PayPal instead of your card. And third, if you've been charged or the error still continues, contact GOG support directly and open a payment-related ticket. Following those steps usually solves the most common GOG payment problems. If this guide helped, please hit that like button, subscribe for more fixes like this, and let me know in the comments what error you're seeing so I can help with a future tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.